Good evening, I'm Herman Green with your Business Day. The Scotia Group today said it made $5.7 billion in profit in the 6 months which ended on April 30. The outturn was up more than 9% over that of the previous year. The banking group said the result was achieved with a focus on its core business lines. Scotia Group declared a 45 cents per share dividend, which it will pay on July 20 to those who are on record as owning its shares on June 28. Remittance inflows rose more than 9% in January. The Bank of Jamaica says the hike pushed revenues in that month to $151 million. About 2 out of every $3 in remittances in January came from the United States. The value of the US dollar fell further today, closing at $129.73. The Canadian dollar ended the day selling for $96.66. The pound sterling costs $167.94, while the euro costs $144.79. Prime Minister Andrew Holness says the impending regulation of credit unions by the Bank of Jamaica will not change the nature and role of the financial institutions. Mr. Holness said it will instead strengthen the movement by helping to protect it against money launderers and terrorism financing.
Nowadays, the financial system has to be protected. People use the financial system to commit crimes, to facilitate terrorism, and to hide corruption. And so the regulation of the financial system will become universal, that everyone who operates in this space will have to have some form of oversight and regulation.
Mr. Holness said the legislation to regulate credit unions is under review, but he did not give a timeline when that will be done for it to be brought to Parliament. He was speaking at the media launch of the Gateway Cooperative Credit Union. That credit union was created through the merger of the Montego Bay and Hanover credit unions. The Jamaica Public Service Company has announced that Emmanuel Da Rosa will take over as its new president and CEO on August 1. He will fill the vacancy that will be created with the impending departure of Kelly Tomlin. Mr. Da Rosa comes to the job after serving 6 years as the head of Canada's Northwest Territories Power Corporation. It is a company which owns and operates 27 isolated grill systems which generate power from diesel, hydro, LNG, wind and solar. Losses in the price of JMMB and Scotia Group stocks today helped to pull the main JSE market index down more than 1,417 points. The junior market index, however, gained 3 points. CAC 2000, Siboney Group, Radio Jamaica, Seprod and Sweet River Abattoir were among the stocks whose prices posted a gain. On the other hand, 1834 Investments, Carib Cement, Jamaica Producers, JMMB Group, Main Event Entertainment, Sagicor Group and T-Tech were among the stocks which ended with lower prices. And that's the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.